guys, how are you doing? How are we all doing? So, Euro USD kept pushing lower and lower yesterday as anticipated. So, if we look at this daily time frame as we've been discussing, immediate structure is bearish, and that is what we're following. Right, we're following the immediate order flow. We can see the supply chain holding, market breaking structure, pushing back into it, and then we broke structure again, right? So this holding again, and then now we retrace, and now we retrace into this quarterly open, this 3 monthly open, quarterly and monthly open, and we push down from there, retrace, and now we're just pushing down. So for me personally, I'm just looking for shorts as I've been discussing all month long. So when will I be looking for longs? I would change my sentiment once this top goes, this high, this swing high rather, because our swing high, these are swing low. So I will change my sentiment once the swing high goes. So for me, this is just another impulsive phase, right? Impulse, then we have retracement, we have impulsive, retracement, impulsive, right? So retracement, and now we're just having another impulsive phase, and I'm targeting this equal lows and this major liquidity low right here. So this is like the final boss of liquidity, guys. This is like the final boss of liquidity. So that's my target. So for me, it's all about looking to scale into this short positions, because if I look on the 4 hour time frame, I can see, okay, to my left we grabbed all of this liquidity, right, with this news candle yesterday based off of Paul's announcement that that there is no that it's not definite that there will be rate cuts in December. So this caused the dollar to become bullish, and also, Trump is also in South Korea at the moment with the Chinese president, so there is also bullish sentiment on the dollar at the moment. So that's why. And so for me, it's all about looking to scale into positions. So I'll be watching this, looking for further positions. I'll be just looking at liquidity, where we can see liquidity probably of this high. Maybe we come here, take out this high, and then this high to our left. Then we can maybe have a change of character, and then we find an entry, or we retrace a little bit. So I'm just watching. I want to see how it develops over the day, or even if we want to be aggressive, we can start from once it starts to give us like this double fractal break on this low, then we can start to find entry and stop above this high or this high. So that could be another trade idea. So it's all about watching and seeing how the market develops for the day. So those are both positions that I have in mind that I will be watching out for. If we come to the dollar index, as we've been discussing, right? So we have the impulsive phase, retracement, right? And then we grab liquidity below here. We saw this V-shaped reversal back here, and then this retracement, which took out this liquidity, came into this nice area of demand, and then from there we started to push up based off of yesterday. So for me, I'm just looking for higher prices on the dollar to come and take out this descending highs, and then just pushing up into this liquidity zone here. So it's all about scaling in for me now. So as we know, we just look for liquidity. Once we see liquidity, we wait for liquidity to be grabbed, and then from there we just start to find new positions to scale in. Okay, for GBP USD, guys, as I mean, this is the bearish king, guys, as we've been discussing. So if you look at this, man, just, oh, perfect, just took it to the T, guys. Look at this, it took it to the T, right? So we're in this bearish phase, so I expect lower prices. I'm just hoping for a retracement. Okay, so we have this weekly open here. Maybe we see a retracement into this area. That would be nice to see, right? That would just be beautiful to see. but I mean, it's bearish, so we might not get what we want exactly, and we just so this here is also a liquidity high. So from here, maybe we come here, and then once you start to see that change of character, you could just scale in aggressively if you're in the mood, So because yes, just right here, you could wait for price, maybe we take out this liquidity, and then we start to see that change of character, and then you could just scale in. So although the ideal trade would be to wait for it here, but we might never get there because it's a bearish market, and the pound is really weak at the moment, and dollar is gaining some strength. Okay, so for US oil, I mean, with this position, let's see, we're still, it's bearish. I mean, this swing high, swing low break of structure. So these are swing high, these are swing low, and now we retrace into this premium, and now we're just looking for some bearish momentum. Hopefully we get some of it soon. Okay, so with NZD USD, guys, this is still more interesting. So as we've been discussing, right, we've been waiting for price came into this quarterly open, beautiful, and then rejected from there. Now we've seen this bearish momentum. Now we're in supply. So I mean, it's just beautiful, beautiful to look for a short from. But just to target all of these liquidity lows, right? But keep in mind, guys, make your stop loss, if you're getting in a position, make your stop loss a bit wider, because there could, because of the trade and everything, there could still be one or two announcements that might manipulate the market, because we still have this descending highs here. So it might still come grab this descending highs, and then we start to sell from there. So keep that in mind, make your stop loss a bit wider, but it's beautiful and ready for some downside movement. With AUD USD, guys, for this one, I would rather not trade it, because if you look at it, it's just sideways, right? Swing low, a swing high, market retrace into this, took out all of this liquidity, retrace into this area, and now we're just pushing up. For real, like, okay, we could sell from this quarterly open, but I mean, there are better pairs like EU, like NZD USD, guys, even oil, like, come on. So I mean, I'll just rather stay away from this for now. With similar thing with USD CHF. So guys, if we if you took a loss on this position, man, I mean, it is what it is, guys. It's part of the plan, right? Losses are part of the plan. It's part of the game. But you can see it's still bearish, honestly. Like, these are swing high, these are swing low, and now we're just retracing into this area. So the thing is, it has like liquidity. Look at this highs, right, that it left behind. So I'm not really convinced yet. Perhaps we see some higher prices, and with dollar strength coming in, perhaps we see some higher prices, and then maybe from there we can start to sell. So I would just wait for this to develop a little bit further. So that's all. And then for gold, guys, with gold, where's the quarterly open? Yeah, oh, beautiful. With gold, guys, let's see. Honestly, for now, I'll probably say we wait. Let's wait. Perhaps we take out this high and then come into the supply zone, and then maybe we sell from there. But for me, I wouldn't be in a haste to buy this market as of now, as of yet, because number one, we're seeing some dollar strength, and if Trump and um, Xi Jinping, they get into a sort of agreement, that would be bullish for the dollar, and usually that's bearish for gold. So not getting into any of those right now, but let's see. If for me, like, for me to look for a buy, right, I would like for this, because this could just be okay, another manipulation of this high, and then from there we just start to sell, or this could be that change of character, right? So you push up, push push down, push up, push down, and then from here we change our character, come here, and then we start to push up. So if we break above here, then I would be okay. Then I can start looking for further buys on gold, or even above here, and I see some nice bullish momentum. But for me, I'm still favoring like a little bit of downside because of this liquidity areas, right, that we have here. So I'm still favoring a little bit of downside, and then we take out um, maybe to this third quarterly open, and then from there we see what happens. Okay, so for USD card, guys, ooh, right, as I've been discussing all week, I'm waiting for, or even since last week, what we're waiting for basically happened, and now I can say, okay, now we can start looking for potential buys to take out these highs, because card remains weak and dollar is gaining some strength. And now we can say, okay, we came into this quarterly open, we've seen this reversal. This was our factor high, factor low. Now we've had a change. Right now these are factor high, right? So let's see what happens if we start to see some bullish momentum coming to the market. We can start scaling in, right? So I want to see higher breaks and then retest, and then I can find that new entry based off of the second fractal break. Okay, guys. And then here's the JPY, guys, as I've been discussing, man. This is just bullish as it comes, right? So it came, took out this low. Once it took out this low, and now we're just pushing up, guys. No need to sell or anything, guys. This is just bullish, right? We're in a breakout, and it's looking lovely because even the yen basket at the moment is weak. So, guys, this is bullish, and just buy USD JPY. Let me show you the yen basket. You can see with the yen basket, right? So I mean, this is push, we this supply break of structure, we push down, and then we retrace back into the yearly open, the quarterly open, and then from there we started to push down again, and now we've broken structure. So guys, this is now our swing high. Now we're looking for another swing low. It's just, now you're just in the impulsive phase, guys. Now you're just in impulsive phase. So I wish you good luck, take care, and see you tomorrow.